announcement po. Sa darating ng January 9, araw ng Webes, may kapistahan po ang nasa nito. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng mananalis na sa kanilang kalahatan ng mga po na susundan na rin ng posisyon para po ay magsasabuti o dalawang ng paulan sa nito. Ang lahat ay natin ang isa at sasabuhay pagdirigman. Ang isang natin ay masasalamat ng mga sumusunod. Mr. Mrs. Nelson Silvito and family. Mr. Mrs. Leo Polito and family. Dr. and Mrs. Herbert and family. Love Store, David family. Mr. and Mrs. Marie Paco and family. Mr. and Mrs. Yoga Milacruz and family. Jamia Milacruz and family. Mr. and Mrs. Maria Valerie and family. Mr. and Mrs. Yoga and family. Rafino Gallegos and family. Benny Canino and family. Merlino Salvador and family. Angelica Moore and family. Mr. and Mrs. Serena Moreno and family. Mr. and Mrs. Mauricio Bueno and family. Mr. and Mrs. Brunella and family. Mr. and Mrs. Adelino Rivera and family. Mr. and Mrs. Ryan Pablos and family. Mr. and Mrs. Generoso Rosales and family. Mr. and Mrs. Luis Maya and family. Para sa personal intention,